Natalie with 865 Operations. We worked in collaboration with the Tennessee Department of Transportation on a bridge expansion and replacement in Johnson City on State Route 34.
Due to the expansion of our bridge, transportation services were required. These services included geometric design, pavement design, and right-of-way acquisition. Geometric design included calculating stopping sight distance, clear line of sight distance, and super elevation transition lengths. These were done to ensure the safety of our roadway users. Pavement design was done by using State Route 34's traffic report data and Chapter 4 of TDOT's design manual to select the best pavement schedule. This was done to ensure our roadway would be able to handle not only today's traffic volume, but projected traffic volumes for the years to come. Due to the expansion of our project, right-of-way acquisition was carried out by identifying new right-of-way tracks to acquire.
The new design of the roadway required analysis of the clear zone to determine guardrail lengths, adding sidewalks, designing widened shoulders, and adding a two-way turn lane, and also designing new pavement markings in accordance with TDOT standards.
Bridge project required hydraulic analysis in order to space inlets and select catch basins, size pipes in order to minimize impact to adjacent properties while maximizing safety.
Services rendered included designing the layout of the structure as well as design analysis of both the super and substructure. Designing the layout of the bridge was particularly challenging as the railroad required specific clearances. These clearances were followed as tightly as possible to minimize the size of the bridge and therefore the cost of the bridge. Structural analysis was performed utilizing Leap Bridge software alongside TDOT and AASHTO standards.
Construction services for this bridge design project included a three-phase bridge reconstruction schedule, a traffic control plan for all three phases of the bridge to maintain vehicle and pedestrian safety, maintaining 4 lanes of traffic at all times and 1 pedestrian path. The total duration of the project has come out to approximately 2 years of construction. Furthermore, equipment selection was done for this project with a large crane selected to place the mid-span BT63 concrete beams. Lastly, a total tabulation of all roadway quantities and cost estimate was performed using TDOT 2020 average bid pricing.
A couple of things that I know a lot of our team really enjoyed on this project was learning how to work as a team, especially when each member of that team is dealing with a different concentration. Marrying 2 different subsects of civil design. One of our mentors expressed something very cool, that we actually taught them something. Jackson, in his construction planning, had thought about where the crane was going to sit on the job site, which was something our temperamental mentor was not used to doing beforehand. And said that she would probably start trying that in the future. This class as a whole provided a great opportunity for all of us to make mistakes on a project in an educational environment, allowing us to learn from those mistakes before screwing up something in the professional setting.